Welcome back to DBR Technologies. If you've spent the last decade clicking the bottom left corner of your screen, Windows 11's centered taskbar isn't just a design change, it's a productivity killer. Today I'm going to show you how to put it back exactly where it belongs in under 60 seconds. Are you keeping the taskbar in the center, or are you moving it back to the left? Let me know down in the comments below. With that, let's get to it.
Okay, let's go.
First, want to find the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Click on search bar. Next, type in taskbar settings. And then next you want to find where it says taskbar behaviors. Go ahead and click that. Next, you should be able to find taskbar alignment. To the right of it, it should say center. Click on that drop down. As well, click on the left. You should now see the bottom and the left of your taskbar has been moved from the center to the left. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below that you made it to the end of the video. And with that being said, DBR Technologies out.